What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 30 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in that Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, guys, they're going to give you 30 free stocks. Now, guys, this is a limited time offer, so don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down in that description box. Click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you 2 Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app to start building your wealth. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened a Moo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'm going to send you out those tutorial videos. Today is February 1st. January is in the rearview mirror, guys. We got 11 months left in 2025. Here's the question. What are you doing to change your financial life? Did you take advantage of January? Like I told you guys, January would be a monster month in the stock market. And I believe it was. S&P 500 probably up 3 to 4%. But individual stocks, artificial intelligence stocks were monsters, man. Now, if you knew what you were doing, you could have made some money. Fortunate for me, I know how to follow data. And I did pretty well in the month of January, like I knew I would, because historically speaking, the month of January is a good month for activity, net worth gain, wealth transfer activities in the stock market. It just is. So I had been telling you guys that back in December of 2024. Prepare yourself. Get in position. Prepare yourself. Get in position. I'm going to tell you again. Prepare yourself. Get in position. On February 3rd, which is going to be Monday, it starts again. The stock market will open pre-market at 4 a.m. Eastern time. And then normal hours open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. It begins again, guys. And I'm going to be in there ready to rock and roll. Why? Because I have a mission. And my mission is to transfer wealth to me and my family. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about, is helping you guys transfer wealth to you and your family. But you got to execute. You got to put yourself in position. You got to put yourself in place. And not be afraid, right? Right? Can't be afraid. Fear is a financial killer. Don't allow fear to steal your financial freedom, guys. Here's what's going to be happening for me on February 3rd. I'm going to be going into about 2 big boy stocks in order to get myself in position to make some FCF, free cash flow. Now, you guys know I have a long-term wealth building strategy and a short-term wealth building strategy. I'm executing both. But one thing that I've learned about individual stocks, and I learned this in 2024, I believe going forward for me on individual stocks, I'm going to treat them all like shorts. Instead of me taking individual stocks and trying to go 10 years out in that specific individual stock, I don't think I'm going to do that strategy for 2025. I think I'm going to treat all of my individual stocks as shorts. Now, what does that mean? That means my ETFs that I invest in long term. And I've always told you guys, 80% of the money I invest goes into these ETFs for long-term wealth building. I will continue doing that through my dollar cost averaging. But I'm changing up the strategy slightly on individual stocks and just treat them like shorts. Now, that doesn't mean I day trade them. What that means is, let me just give you an example. Let's say, for instance, Nvidia. Right now it's trading at, or it closed at on Friday, $120 a share. And I know over the last 30 days, last 45 days, it's gotten itself to $153 a share, right? So instead of me treating it as just a flat out long for the next 10 years, what I may do is treat it as a 10-year investment, but get in and out of it a little bit differently to take advantage of peaks and valleys in the stock price. Because had I did that in 2024, I probably would have made a lot more money in Nvidia than I did, because of me treating it as a buy and hold long-term 10 years. And again, guys, I'm not telling you need to change your strategy. I'm just telling you I'm thinking about changing my strategy for individual stocks. It's still a good place to put money in stocks and leave it long-term and never touch it. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. I'm just telling you, from my wealth building process, I want to try something different in 2025. So I will always have Nvidia and the Magnificent Seven in the long-term strategy, but I think I will just buy and sell them a little bit differently inside of that long-term strategy, if that makes sense. So right now, you buy Nvidia at $120 a share. You hold it, not you, but me, I would hold it. Let's say my goal is $20 a share. Every time it gets $20 a share, sell it, and then wait for it to go back down. And then, but what if it never goes back down, Richard? Well, then I just buy on the rally then. As the price moves up, as it sets a new bottom, a new floor, I just move up, right? But the thing is what I don't want to have happen is what happened with Nvidia in 2024, where it splits in I believe in June, it split at 120 a share. And for 6 months, it just kind of stayed there and got to 153. And then it, but had I been in and out of it that whole time, even though it's long term, just in and out of it, I would have made more money, is what I'm saying. So that's the strategy I'm going to try out for 2025, these last 11 months on the Magnificent Seven. I'm going to try to get in and out of them. And let's see how it works. If it doesn't work for me, I can always go back to the buy and hold and just keep them in there forever. It's still traditional investing. It's just me being a little bit more conscious of the changes in the stock price and trying to take advantage of those and still have a long-term outlook on a specific company or stocks like the Magnificent Seven. So drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you guys think about that. I think I'm going to try that strategy for the last 11 months. Now, whatever positions that I have, I'll keep those positions. But if Nvidia goes back to 150, I may get out of Nvidia until it goes back down again. If it doesn't go back down and just keep going up, then I'll re-enter at a higher price, and that's okay. My thought process is it'll probably come back down again. Until revenue gets to be 200 billion, 300 billion, 400 billion per year, it's going to be tough for that stock to just keep climbing. Based on what I know now, it's tough to do that. My job here, guys, is to try to build wealth long term and use whatever technique I believe makes sense. Again, I'm not telling you to change your technique. I'm just telling you this is what I'm going to try, just to see if I can get a better return on my money in the Magnificent Seven. Now, of course, I'm going to continue doing my shorts for my little gorilla stocks. But for the big boy gorilla stocks, I'm going to start treating them like shorts, even though I got a long-term mentality with them, if that makes sense. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moo guys, it's going to give you up to 30 free stocks. And listen, man, don't miss this opportunity to get in place, to put yourself in the game. Get these 30 free stocks. All you got to do is click on the first link down in the description box. That's that Moo link. Click on that Moo link. Open up your new Moo account today. Put $100 in there, you're going to get 5 free stocks. Put $2,000 in your brokerage account, you're going to get 30 free stocks. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down in that description box and go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address, guys. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your entire financial life, in my opinion. Thousands of you guys have taken advantage of those products. to get your financial literacy up, because you understand the better and more confident you are with your financial literacy, the more you're going to execute to build wealth. Also, while you're there, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. Guys, I got over 1,400 wealth builders in the community. And all we do is help each other build wealth. None of us are experts. We're just people just like you that are regular people helping one another with tips, nuggets, best practices, what's working, what's not working, and just providing a safe environment for people to build wealth. If you want to be a part of that, click on the join button, the membership button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon, and come join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.